Hi guys, so this is an update. This is a follow-up video to Historisika Thuli no Leon Gumede. Please, if you haven't watched the first video, please go and watch the first video and then come back to this one to understand ukuthi kwenzakalani. Alright, so what happened was uThuli posted this on her status. Wathi kuyenzeka yini ufike ushawe umuntu okushayile aposte his side of the story mese mayebona abantu are actually not buying his story asuse wonke ama-post, then send a lawyer to threaten you to remove the post and do an apology video. Hey boom. Or else kusasa kuvukwa kuyiwa e-high court mangingalwenzi mengakwenzi lokho. Hey guys, hayibo manje uLeon ufuna ukuthi uThuli asuse yonke lento ayipostile. Yo guys, mase yaxolisa. Axoliseleni guys ngoba lo muntu ngafike ngishawe mase ngiyaxolisa. Ithiwani leyo nto? Oh, and okunye futhi engikweqayo ukuthi uthe uThuli lana uthi uLeon upostile iside lakhe le story. Wase eyabona ukuthi abantu abasibhayi isitori sakhe mase wase wasusa-ke lento ade ipostile. Lapho ngicela ukutshela ukuthi usuku lonke bengigadile ukuthi uLeon uzosho something. Kushuthi-ke I missed it because kushuthi khona kupostile kushuthi washeshe wakususa cause mina mengishuthi ngikhohliwe ukucheck. But vele ngicheck angaboni lutho nangu-ke esho uThuli ukuthi upostile wabona abantu ukuthi isitori sakhe abasibhayi wasusa. Hayi ke guys, asiqhubeke phambili. Uthi-ke now y'all are calling him out, all post gone, what a joke. Shuthi guys sungayiphoza-ke video and read all that because guys menge ngaqala ngathi ngifunda yonke lento ebhalwe la shuthi le video izoba u-30 minutes because this is a lot. Iyaqhubeka-ke lana ungaqhubeka uphinde uphoze ufunde lana uThuli ukuthi inganekwane yangempela le. Uzophoza-ke guys mase niyafunda-ke lana ukuthi kuthiwani konke lana. Okay, lana-ke ama-WhatsApp-ke lo. Shuthi lo muntu akhuluma naye yazi akuveli laphana ukuthi bekhuluma nobani but uyabona laphana uyahleka uthi what a joke. Shuthi lo muntu ade WhatsApp naye lana uyaphendula-ke uthi we hereby confirm that this is not a joke. Oh hayi guys, nifuna ukuthini manje? Nifuna ukuthi mhlampe iloya yini le akhuluma nayo mhlampe la ku-WhatsApp? Hayi bandla, asiqhubeke. Aphendule kuThuli laphana athi did I call a lawyer on him when he posted me? In fact, I don't have time for this. Have a good day. Aphendule lapho iloya athi kindly confirm your understanding of the contents of the letter. Unfortunately, your posts are designed to defame our client and will be approaching the court tomorrow should you not adhere to the terms contained in the letter. Thank you and have a good afternoon. uThuli nje wavele wayihlekela. Yo guys, uThuli nje wavele wahleka guys. Waqhubeka wayipostela wathi nje every dog has its day and shame bandla. Waqhubeka uThuli wabhala laphayana uthi everyone ukhala ngo-9 September, shame bakhohlwe uku-editha kahle phela basebenza nama-Sunday so bakhathele abameli. So ke abantu they were busy replying kulesa screenshot la khona uThuli kade khuluma khona nommeli. Omunye uthe ayibo this lawyer delivering it to on WhatsApp backdoor lawyers. uThuli wabhala laphana phezulu uthi ngiyazi I wasn't born yesterday. Yo guys, kushubile shame. Mekhona enye update guys ngizobuya ngizonika. I'll see you on my next one.